Yo, it's the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my crypto goons for putting up once again. I don't know where you've been, but this XRP has been printing money on top of money on top of money. And this is something that we've been talking about on this channel for a while, about the power of XRP, the moves that XRP is making around the world, and the gains that we're going to collect along the way. Shout out to the XRP army, the XRP community, and my crypto goons. But let's hop into these charts really quick. But before we get there, XRP just surpassed Solana and Tether to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Now, if you were in tune to my last video, I explained all of these triangle patterns and how a lot of these patterns give you an indication of the bull market that's coming. So as you can see, just like right here in the previous pattern, XRP has formed a similar triangle, which is a lot larger than this one, and it has officially broken out, as you can see with these two candles right here. Now we are headed to the upside. We are very close to the all-time highs. The all-time high of XRP is around $3 and some change, and we are currently at $2.42. So we're a little bit over $1.20 or so away from filling this wick. And you know, I talk about all my videos, in any stock market chart, Forex, anything. When it comes to candlestick patterns and when it comes to technical analysis, the market always has to fill wicks. And that includes this all-time high that we see right here. Now, a lot of people want to know, where potentially could the price be heading? Now, of course, you know, I'm a fan of the Fibonacci, and I always reverse it. OK, the reversal gives us price targets. So as you can see right here, we could potentially be hitting the $56 mark soon. Will it be this bull run? Possibly, right? But, you know, we don't know. We hold tight. We continue to stack XRP on green days and red days, and we keep this thing moving. Now, I always talk about Elliott wave. I talk about Fibonacci and how this is all math, right? How we have pulses and then we have corrections, right? But this bull market has just started. So we talked about last time, where you can measure the last bull market. We know with the amount of money flowing into the crypto market that we will at least have a bull run that is this size, right? So we take it from the base start of the bull market, right, that we're in right now, and we try and measure right ahead to see where we could possibly be going. And if we have this same size bull market, at minimum, we could be hitting $233 at the end of the bull market, right? But anybody that knows anything about the technology behind XRP, we of course are going to hold, and we are investing in the technology. We're not just doing this just to print some quick money, but we know long term that the XRP, the product itself, is a great product, and it is something that can benefit the human race, because we can send, or institutions rather, can send money a lot faster, you know, than using the SWIFT system, which is something that XRP is replacing. Now, I know a lot of people out there, you know, even though XRP is, you know, currently trading around $2.40 or so per coin, a lot of people are feeling as though that they could have possibly missed out, right? You know, people like to catch things at 20 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents. Here's one thing that you should know, right? I'm going to pull up a different chart. XLM, okay? XLM currently right now is trading at 55 cents. And here's what you need to understand. XLM is a similar technology to XRP. However, XLM is for people, for the individual, for, you know, the common person, while XRP is for institutions. OK, there was a video of an XRP employee or executive, and he was saying this. He was saying, you know, XRP wasn't meant to be in the hands of the consumers. It was meant to be for the institutions. So for anybody out there, just to give you a heads up, XLM is a similar technology. And in the future, once XRP really pops off, you know, into the $200 range, you know, even the $5 range, the average person is not going to be investing or spending their money on that, right? Because they, you know, everybody wants to get the gains with the least amount of money invested, right? But XLM is a potential case for that, because people are going to feel as though that they missed out on, right, this XRP. So they want to get on the next best train. And the next best thing to XRP is XLM, which is a very similar technology. Again, look at XLM as like, you know, an unlimited Cash App, right? Like, Cash App and Zelle, these things have limits. The most you can send through Cash App is like 7,500, right? And Zelle is like 1,500 or something like that. Well, XLM is something that is just as inexpensive and quick to send money, but it is for the individual. XRP, us as individuals will not directly be using XRP. We will be using it indirectly, meaning we will go through, let's just say, for example, when it does replace the SWIFT system, we will be sending wire transfers overseas or to whoever, utilizing that technology through the banking institution versus XLM, where we can do that directly from our cell phones and use it directly. OK, so I just wanted to show people this, that, XLM is also moving up. It just hasn't had its breakout moment as of yet, but it is something to keep your eye on. And again, I am also stacking XLM, and based on the Fibonacci. And again, these corrections and these triangle patterns are also showing up on XLM. And based on the Fibonacci, this is telling us that in the future, with this bull run, we could possibly be going past $13. Now, just to measure this last bull run. And of course, I expect these bull runs to be larger, right, than the ones before, because there's more money coming in. We could potentially be hitting $10 trillion in the total crypto market cap this bull run, because we have all of these countries adopting Bitcoin and adopting cryptocurrency, China, Russia, setting laws and, making these things legal and for their for their populations to use and to take advantage of, whether it's taxes or whether it's, sending money across borders, right? Which is what a lot of this stuff is designed for. So if we take this and we go to the base of this bull run, as you can see right here, based on the size of this last bull run, we could potentially have XLM at $50 in the future. OK, so I just wanted to just show this to you all. This is something that is happening right now. Do not miss this, this history, what's going on right now. Be a part of it, beat inflation and take care of your family. But before we go out, let's hop into crypto bubbles. So as you can see on the day, XRP is up 28.9%. We caught those gains, especially if you've been locked in here for a couple weeks. HBAR is up 39.8%. I did a video on that a couple days ago, about 2 days ago. Let's see, we got EOS is here. Algo is up 16.5. EOS is up 23.2%. The meme coin Pepe, I'm not really worried about the meme coins. I mean, they're cool to make some quick money, but we know the XRP and, we believe in the technology. So always, this is not financial advice, but pay attention to the technology behind a lot of these cryptocurrencies. A lot of these memes, they're cool to make some quick gains and get out, because they really don't offer anything to the human race or to, business or, the financial institutions to actually help people. Right. So that those aren't real investments. It's a roll of the dice at the end of the day. But XRP is is the real deal. XLM is the real deal. 88 is the real deal. So make sure you do your research on the different technologies. OK. So as far as the last week, again, XRP up 75%. We've been talking about this for over, for a while now. There are a couple good ones here. Algo is on here, but just to hop over back to the crypto market cap, just to show you all. OK, again, even with the Fibonacci, 9.27 trillion. I'm thinking we're going to hit 10 on the dot. And we're going to stay there for a while until, more money pours in. And again, there's even been talk about BlackRock and a couple other institutions submitting paperwork for an XRP ETF. Now, we've already seen some ETFs been filed overseas in Europe. But as far as in America, there are other institutions that are starting XRP ETFs. That is the rumor that we're supposed to have actual news on that this week. OK, but one thing is for sure, I really appreciate all my crypto goons for supporting the channel. Make sure you all hit the thumbs up and subscribe and keep it locked with the Crypto Goon. Appreciate y'all. Crypto Goon out.